If you get 40 out of 40, you are a genius. Level 3. Grammar and Vocabulary Test. One. The poor woman has fainted. Wait till she comes round. 2. We've run out of salt. Ask the neighbor for some. 3. This mountain road is full of bends. 4. The police are offering a reward for any information. 5. He was accused of killing the old tramp. 6. It was very difficult to make out the castle till you got near. 7. He was so good at writing that no other was expected to win. 8. He had heard Miss Brown say that his was the best painting. 9. She assured me that the order will reach here next week. 10. I regret to inform you that your son is dead. 11. You'll see that you couldn't have arrived at a better time. 12. At first I couldn't understand how it worked. Now I can see it. 13. This British firm has bought the company and taken it over it. 14. I must apologize for being late. 15. The Daily News has not come out today due to a paper shortage. 16. If I hadn't turned at the crossing, I would have found it. 17. There was a vase holding beautiful flowers. 18. The way she smiles reminds me of my mother. 19. He didn't switch the light on so as not to wake them up. She was in the room but she didn't even turn towards me. For Pete's sake stop that, she said. He was lying on the grass reading a magazine. Just the two of us moving this huge piano is out of the question. The guide was explaining to us that this castle is as old as the hills. All his toes were sticking out of his old shoes. They got married although their parents didn't give their consent. Didn't you ever wonder why I made you do that? Everything went wrong. In short, it was a disaster. They were held back for 2 hours in the traffic, and arrived late. Well, yes, I agree with you to some extent but not completely. Did she go in for the exam? The dog was run over by a truck. You'd never think of doing that on your own, would you?
On the night before he was to leave he told them he'd stay. He wants a job which will give him greater scope. We had such lovely weather during our holiday. Don't bother, don't put yourself out for me. 38. The old witch went into a rage when she heard the news. "39. It's about time you did the washing up." "40. At long last she stopped talking and hung up."